Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Mark and I talk about personal finance and credit. But before we begin, I just want to thank all of my subscribers. Guys, we hit 500 subscribers in the first 3 months. And that just blows my mind how fast this channel is just blowing up. I just want to thank all of you guys for your kind words, for your support, and keep the questions coming, keep the activity coming, guys. You guys rock, and let's get into it. So today's video is going to be about the American Express Blue Business Plus unboxing. Alright, so this is the envelope that the Blue Business Plus comes in. It's just a plain envelope that says American Express. On the back it says don't do business without it. So I did have to open it here because I had to block out my information, as you can see. But let's get started. So the first page says American Express, the card that comes with tools to help you manage your cash flow is here. All right, and here is the card. Man, look how beautiful that card looks, guys. Wow. This card looks very, very nice. This is actually the new design. It used to be all clear and they changed it. So this is the new design for the Blue Business Plus. So with this paper right here, this is where you just confirm your receipt by calling them. You can either call them, do it online, or you can download the app and verify that you received your card through there as well. So on the back, it just shows American Express app makes managing your account simple, and it tells you what you can do with the app. So you can make payments, you could track your charges. They also show you special offers and quick access to billing statements. So this is the first page that you will receive, and this is how the card looks. This card looks very, very nice. It's sleek. It's plastic. It's not a metal card, but it looks very nice. So, yep. And then since I am a sole proprietor, my name and my business name is right here. All right, so the next page in the envelope is your card member agreement. So since this is my first American Express credit card, they only gave me a limit of $2,000. I guess because they feel at this time $2,000 is enough to build that relationship. Yep. So with this card, there is a 0 interest APR for 12 months. So for that whole year, you will not have to pay interest on anything that you purchase. But after a year, I will have to pay 19.24% on the interest. But I don't like to carry a balance, so I'll never have to pay that interest. Talks about transaction fees, penalty fees, and yeah, that's pretty much this right here. But they did give me a limit of $2,000. So the next page is American Express Business Card Privacy Notice. This just explains how they collect your information, that they can share it if need be, what choices are available to you. If you do not want to share your information or business partners, including co-brand partners for their own use, please go to American Express. Yep, so you can opt out of sharing your information with American Express's partners, but this is just their privacy notice. And this is a summary of additional benefits. So it looks like for travel related, you do have a global assist hotline where if you travel for more than 100 miles from home, you have 24/7 medical, legal, and financial or select emergency coordination and assistance services. So that's nice. You can also decline your collision damage waiver at the rental company because this card offers car rental loss and damage insurance. Okay, let's see. Oh, with this card, you do also receive extended warranty for 1 year. So let's say you purchase a phone and that has a warranty of 3 years. You can use this card to purchase that phone and you will get another year of warranty. So, but only on warranties 5 years or less. And you also have purchase protection. So if any of your purchases get lost or stolen or damaged, if you use this card to pay for that item, you get up to $1,000 per coverage purchase, $500 for all covered purchases per occurrence related to natural disaster loss, and $50,000 per eligible card account for each calendar year. So this can come in handy if you purchase protection if you purchased, let's say, AirPods and they were damaged or stolen, they will actually refund you for those AirPods. So this was just a summary of additional benefits. And lastly, this is just your card member agreement, which just talks about, what happens if you need a replacement, how to use the card, just basic stuff like that. Yep. So again, this is how the card looks. Looks very nice, very sleek. Very, very nice. All right, well, I went a little bit into the benefits when I was doing the unboxing, but I'm going to go into more detail. So right now, the Blue Business Plus card does not have a public sign-up bonus. The only way that you will be able to get a bonus is if you use someone's referral link. Right now, the referral link offers a sign-up bonus of $100 when you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. And if you would like to support the channel, I will put a link in the description of my referral link for the Blue Business Plus. In addition, this card is a 0 annual fee card. So as long as you keep this card active, you will not have to pay an annual fee. With the Blue Business Plus, you will also be receiving 2 membership reward points every time you purchase an item, up to $55,000 per year. This card also offers extended buying power, which means you will be able to spend more than how much your credit limit is. So let's say you have a credit card limit of $2,000. With this card, it will allow you to spend higher than that credit limit. On top of this, this card offers Global Assist Hotline, car rental loss and damage insurance, as well as extended warranty, purchase protection, and you can dispute a charge if it's fraud, and it'll be no hassle whatsoever. The reason why I applied for this card is because right now I'm at Chase's 524 rule, and business cards don't affect your 524 status. So right now I'm going to be under 524 August 1st. So I'm going to be going on a business credit card application spree. This card was right up my alley. It's going to help me build a relationship with American Express for their other business cards and their other personal cards as well. On top of that, it's crazy how American Express approved me for my first credit card with them, which was their business card. This also reminds me of when I was approved for my Chase Ink Cash card. This was my first credit card with Chase, and they approved me for their business card. If you guys enjoyed these videos of me unboxing the Blue Business Plus, please comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more content like this. Thank you guys very much for your support and your kind words, and look forward to bringing more content.